In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Bookings, create a calendar of events. By the end, you'll have a clean, public-facing calendar where people can see what you're offering and reserve a spot without back and forth emails. First, head to office.com and open Microsoft Bookings. If you see it inside Outlook, that's fine too. It's the same place. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has access to bookings. Most work or school subscriptions include it. On the Bookings homepage, choose Create Booking Page. This starts a fresh calendar that your audience will visit to schedule with you. Next, select the plus icon to create from scratch. This gives you full control over the setup so your calendar matches how you run events. Enter a clear calendar name. Think of this as the title attendees will see at the top of the page, so keep it short, descriptive, and recognizable. Choose a business type. This helps bookings apply sensible defaults and organize your services. Pick the category that best fits your events. You can always refine details later. Now add the team members who will host events and set their working hours. Each person's availability determines when events can be booked, so it's worth getting this right. Confirm time zones, add any breaks, and consider blocking out preparation or follow-up time in their calendars to prevent overbooking. Under the Services tab, create a new service for each event you plan to offer. In bookings, a service equals an event type, like a training session, a demo, or a community workshop. Give each service a clear name and description so attendees understand exactly what they're signing up for. Set the duration, location, and buffer times. Duration controls how long the event runs. Location can be a physical address or an online meeting. If you're using Microsoft Teams, select that so a meeting link is generated automatically. Buffers add breathing room before or after sessions, which is helpful for setup, travel, or Q&A. Choose if customers can book and customize availability for each service. Instead of relying only on general working hours, set specific days, times, or seasonal windows when this event is offered. You can limit bookings to advance notice windows or shorten the booking horizon to keep your schedule predictable. When everything looks good, select Save and Publish. Bookings will generate a shareable link to your calendar. Send it to your audience, add it to your website, or include it in emails so people can schedule the exact events you created. That's it. You've built a polished events calendar in Microsoft Bookings. As your offerings evolve, just return to services to adjust details, add new events, or pause ones you're not running.